and this is Gift Bag Robin Hood on Stylit.tv. Every week we go to exclusive Hollywood events, get amazing gifts, and then we give them all away to you. I mean, you've got such a fun, bubbly personality. I could see, it'd be nice to play something that kind of opposite from what you really are.
It is. It's good. You get to get it out.
Right behind me is DJ Hero on Level Expert. Activision right behind me, something that is totally up my alley. We have Band Hero. I have been deep in the trenches, you guys. Look at all these wonderful gifts that I got just for you. Make sure you go right now to Stylit.tv for your chance to win all of this stuff.
Yes, Eli has a ring, but the question going to preseason was, will we see good Eli or bad Eli? While completing barely half of his passes in preseason and taking 3 sacks in the last game answers that question and hurts his stock.
Hey everyone, I'm Katia Dara, and we're at the Entourage premiere at the Cinerama Dome, where all of Young Hot Hollywood is out to catch a sneak peek of this season. Sorry, I got held up playing with my new Nokia Twist. Check this thing out, it's so cool. $149 retail. We've got one for you in your gift bag right now. What makes an apple bottom? Do I have one?
Brittilicious, darling.
Oh,
Brittilicious.
I'm going to use that. Brittilicious. I have been sugared. If you want more information, check it out on Stylit.tv.
That's all I've got for now, so get back to work and remember to check out more videos at fantasysportsgirl.com.
Until next time, put us on the guest list, and remember our gift bag Robin Hood motto, it's better to give than receive.